In this 90-second tutorial, I will show you how to quickly mask out an object from a plain background, especially when using select subject slows down system. If you are like me and run multiple programs like rendering in Blender while editing in Premiere Pro, using select subject can cause lag or even crash your software. Here's a faster method. For this design, I needed to add some insects I found on Pinterest. Here's how I did it. First, create a new layer with Ctrl+Shift+N and paste the object in there. Convert it to a smart object and click Edit Content, which opens a new tab. Next, go to Select, Menu, choose Color Range. I have assigned a shortcut Alt+F2 and use the eyedropper tool to select the plain white background. Adjust the fuzziness for better contrast. This makes a selection, then click the Mask button. You can also invert the mask by holding Alt while clicking the Mask button. And there you have it, a quick clean mask. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips.